Wait. Okay.
So a few days after the power outage as a result of Milton, we decided to take a bit of a drive around town, and we saw the devastating effects that Hurricane Milton had on our community. Power lines were down, trees had fallen, and it was really interesting to see the impact that it had on the area. Many trees had blown over from the root. Interstates were crowded with cars who were trying to get gas and get back home after evacuation, and a number of restaurants had closed. So to all of you who have been affected by Hurricane Milton, we just wanted to let you know that our thoughts and prayers go out to you as we continue to ride this storm and its aftermath out together. Hi you guys, so me and Good Mommy are currently still without power in the aftermath of Hurricane Milton.
Yes.
So we decided to take a drive out. Since we don't have any power, obviously we needed to get some cold drinks, so we just took a stop at Circle K.
Right.
Good Mommy got us some ice and some drinks, and now we have stopped at a disaster relief center.
We didn't even know that they were giving anything out. We just happened to turn to the right. Well, we looked for it rather, right?
Right.
And we saw it, and I'm like, let's pull over.
Yeah, we see that there are several trucks lined up waiting to get some items. So hopefully it's some good groceries and some other maybe batteries or different things that we need, because eating out every day, as Good Mommy has been telling me, and I've been seeing, it's expensive. So we need all the relief that we can get from this hurricane, and we are definitely sending out all of our prayers to all of our fellow Floridians that have been affected by the hurricane. But in the meantime, we're going to stay in line and wait to see what we're going to get.
They're definitely giving out ice. I believe I saw in that truck that they're giving out ice, so we can use that in our cooler.
Yeah, that'll be great because we have not had a fridge, obviously, to cool anything in. So having something to use to keep our drinks cool throughout the day,
yes,
is definitely something we really need.
Definitely.
Isn't that right, sweet boy? Oh, and by the way, Good Mommy just got a new phone. So if you kind of see us testing things out, she actually got a iPhone 15 Plus. So we're just messing around. You can even pause the video and start it again.
Really?
I see all types of stuff, you all. So this is a nice phone, and this is definitely going to help with the quality of our videos. We definitely want to keep our posting schedule consistent, and so having better camera quality is really going to help us out. We want to make these videos as enjoyable as we can for you all. So
definitely,
I think this phone, and not only that, but we had just been having some technical issues with Good Mommy's last phone. The lady said she thinks you bought a lemon, right?
Yes.
So
so this will definitely make our videos much better.
Agree. So we're not exactly sure what's in those containers, you all, but it looks like they are giving out some food, which is good. Yep, that is indeed what we are getting. This is a blessing, you guys, because a lot of people have been saying, like, on social media, like, I'll let Good Mommy actually tell you all, because she's the one who's been reading all this stuff.
A lot of people have been saying that they have no food, nothing to drink, they have no automobiles to go and get food. So as Good Baby just said, this is a real blessing to us to be able to get something to eat and some ice. We'll show you all what we get. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks to you. Thank you. Oh, wow.
Ooh, yummy. You put it back. Can you put it in the back? Thank you very much. On a quick drive to the grocery store, we saw a variety of Tico and JR Electric employees who were trying their best to restore power in the area close to our home. We also saw a church that was giving out free groceries to the community. But what we didn't know is that we were in for a major surprise. Yeah.
The whole pole is hanging up. OMG. Wow. I just want to get a chicken. I'm sorry. Oh, you want to get the chicken?
No, you go ahead. I ain't got it yet. Half pound as well.
How you doing? Thank you.
Make my power and my water come back on would be great. They're putting a new power pole in it on our property right now. And I'm like, they've been there for 4 hours putting in a new power pole in our driveway. So we're gonna find out. Hopefully when we get home we have power. Yeah. Yeah. Because our whole pole went down. Exactly. Yeah, we have about 12 trees down.
Wow, the whole pole went down?
Yeah, one of our
Wow.
trees went and it went onto the neighbor's property and took the
Wow.
whole line.
Oh
and
my
then it took
goodness.
it across the street, which is a major street. So it took our
Wow.
whole
I'm sorry to hear that. How you doing? I'm sorry. Can I get a 4 pound of your maple glazed honey turkey? Yes. Sliced thin. Yes. Yes. All right. Have a great one, okay? Thank you. Sugar. Wow. Oh, I have a couple more things. Thank you. You're open? Yes, sure. Thank you.
I started in the back.